Many people are able to take away the most valuable thing in an animal's life. It's freedom. But there are few who are strong enough to bring the creatures home. Fortunately, it happens more than you think. And now you are about to see these animals released for the first time. I hope it restores your faith in humanity once and for all. This little cheetah couldn't believe he was going to get out of the cage, and his facial expressions said it all. And here the first giraffe came out safely, while the others fell to the ground, of course, out of happiness. When the monkey loses consciousness, God blesses him with a merciful person. It definitely saves his life. This lion is not convinced that he will simply get out. When you see the eagle inside the cage, you will not believe how proud he is of himself now. When the crocodile is a heavy guest on humans, people finally get rid of hosting this terrifying crocodile. When you free an animal, you are afraid of it and have no sympathy for it. No sympathy for it. This deer would have drowned and lost its life. But magnanimity of these two men its life. A group of monkeys come out of the cage to finally depend on themselves. But one of them has a different opinion and kept relying on others. Come on, tiger. This eagle is flying slow, so happy. It deserves to go back to the cage. When the rhinoceros feels stressed while out to freedom. Does anyone know why this mean monkey only embraced women without men? This cute animal froze with joy until he got up at the right time and ran away. This sea dog was close to believing that it was a wild dog, so he decided to return to the sea before it The horse, when it is freed, looks amazing all the time. All the time. This bear, after his liberation, that the cage was the one who was working. When you come to free the monkeys and find yourself getting involved in huge numbers. These chimpanzees are coming out of the cage together, and they will stay together outside the cage, and yet they say goodbye to each other as well. Well, when the gorilla gets upset, when the deer comes out into the light and does not know that it will enter the lion's stomach. When the rhino finishes studying abroad and returns to crazy leopard. They ask the lion to leave, but he cannot leave the humans because of their sympathy for him.